Hello everyone. Today we'll go through the process of how to make a chatbot, something like this, using the Flask and OpenAI API key. Flask is a Python framework which is lightweight and very simple for developing web-based application. So I have used this. We will go through all the steps. The first step is download the Python and install it. I have already installed Python in my machine. If you type here Python, then the first thing will come. You can download and install the Python. And the second step is to download the Visual Studio Code. If type on the Google Visual Studio Code, it will appear here. We can download the Visual Studio Code. And step three is in Visual Studio Code, we need to activate or install the Python extension. If you go here in Visual Studio Code and then extension, type the Python. We can say Python language. Here, the Python is already installed, so the disable and uninstall option is active here. If it is not installed, we have to install, and the install option would be there. After installing and activating Python, the Visual Studio will be ready for running the Python environment. And then we need to set up our API key. First, we need to create an API key. Then we can set up our API key. As you can see here, I am on OpenAI platform. We have to create our own API key. But remember to never hard code the API key within the code because it will cost you and even can use it, it will cost you. Instead, you can set up it as an environment variable. So after create on new secret key, then select your secret key, save it somewhere, and then uh, you can using this command set x OpenAI API key, run this command, replace this with your own API key, run this command on the CMD, open CMD, and then run this command, set x something like that. Yeah, run this, uh, not that one, set x open API key. So I have already run and set up my API key for Windows environment. Then it will be fine. Otherwise, it will not work. After that, you can download the given code from the GitHub. The link is on the video bio and open it using the Visual Studio. I already opened the code using the Visual Studio here. It is already open in the Visual Studio code. The first thing after that will be to check whether the required library is installed or not. As you can see here on the terminal, I will clear my terminal. First, we need to activate our virtual environment. Just do not forget to create a separate virtual environment and activate it. venv scripts activate.bat. We are on the virtual environment. A very important step is that to check if the Flask and AI library are installed or not, because I have already installed, so it is there. You can, if not installed, then you can install using the pip command, pip install OpenAI, pip install Flask. If right now I enter pip list, then it will list of all library which are installed. If I go on the libraries which is start with O, there should be OpenAI installed. Yeah, I can see that OpenAI is installed. Flask is also installed here. So as simple as that, I can now run my code using the Python app.py. Yeah, it says that it give a warning that it is a development server. Don't worry about that. Our code is running. If we click on the link, then yes, we can see that our chatbot is running, but it is opening using another browser. I will copy this and open using the Google Chrome. You can open use it with any browser. So this is our chatbot. If I ask anything, it will answer. I will say, hey, hello, how can I assist you? I will ask, can you generate text like a chat GPT? Just to remind that this is only for text generation. Don't have the ability of image generation and other features. It says yes. Then I will ask that define AI and simple wording. Yeah, it's AI, artificial intelligence is a technology, blah blah blah. So, yeah, this is our simple and amazing chatbot that we have built using the OpenAI API key. I will l- provide my GitHub link also on the video bio. By the way, if you want to connect with me, here is my LinkedIn. Just click on the below link. If you have any question, if the code is not working, you can reach out to me and feel free to send me a connection request. And also here I put my GitHub link. In my GitHub, it is listed under my name, Khalil Ulfat, and then custom chatbot, GPT chatbot, Flask chatbot. Anyhow, I will share the link in the bio. And thank you for watching the video.